Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Windows 10 tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to disable startup apps on your Windows 10 computer. So this can be great if when you start up or turn on your computer, you have a ton of apps running and it's very slow. What we'll be doing is going through the Windows 10 settings and turning these off so that that no longer happens. All right, so the first thing we need to do to get started is simply go down to this Windows Start button down here, right click it, and then in the menu that opens up, select Settings. Now they sometimes change the layout of the menus in here. So what I recommend doing is just going up to the search bar up here in the settings and just search Startup, one word. The first option should be Startup Apps. So when you open this up, this will display all the applications on your computer that currently start when you log in or turn on your computer. Now we can go through this list to see all the applications. Over here on the left side, we have the name, and on the right side, we have the toggle switch and also the impact of that app being turned on when you start up your computer. Some of the apps, such as third-party apps like Discord right here, won't have a measurement. So you just have to decide if that's an app that you want to turn on when you start up your computer. So what I recommend doing is going through this list of applications and just turning off any applications that you do not need for your startup. Things such as security, you do want to have those on, but maybe Spotify, maybe you want to have that turned off. What I'm going to be doing is turning off Discord right here. Once you turn on or off any of these applications, you don't have to save anything. You can simply close the settings and then you're good to go. All right, so that's how you disable apps from starting up when you turn on your computer. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Windows 10 tutorial videos, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.